Imagine you're a startup founder. You're juggling a million things: product development, marketing, team management. How do you keep everything organized and efficient? Notion is the answer. But here's the question: which companies are already using Notion to their advantage? Notion isn't just a simple note-taking app. It's a powerful collaboration and productivity tool that can be customized to fit any team's workflow. From startups to Fortune 500 companies, Notion has become a go-to platform for managing projects, knowledge bases, and even entire company wikis. In this video, we'll dive into some of the most notable companies that have embraced Notion and how they're using it to achieve their goals. Case Study 1. Buffer. Buffer, the popular social media management tool, is a prime example of a company that has leveraged Notion to streamline its operations. Here's how they use it. Project management. Buffer uses Notion to manage their product roadmaps, track feature development, and assign tasks to team members. Knowledge base. The company maintains a comprehensive knowledge base in Notion, making it easy for employees to access information and learn best practices. Team collaboration. Notion's real-time collaboration features enable Buffer's distributed team to work together seamlessly on projects and documents. Case Study 2. Zapier. Zapier, the automation platform, is another company that has found great value in Notion. Here's how they use it. Product development. Zapier uses Notion to plan and track their product development process, from ideation to launch. Customer support. The company's customer support team uses Notion to manage support tickets, document FAQs, and collaborate on solutions. Team onboarding. Zapier uses Notion to create a centralized onboarding process for new hires, ensuring they have access to all the necessary information and resources. Case Study 3. Figma. Figma, the popular design collaboration tool, is a great example of a company that has used Notion to scale its operations. Here's how they use it. Product planning. Figma uses Notion to plan their product roadmap, track feature development, and prioritize tasks. Customer success. The company's customer success team uses Notion to manage customer relationships, track customer health, and provide support. Team communication. Figma uses Notion to create a centralized hub for team communication, ensuring everyone is on the same page. Case Study 4. Airbnb. Airbnb, the global online marketplace for lodging, is another company that has found value in Notion. Here's how they use it. Product development. Airbnb uses Notion to plan and track their product development process, from ideation to launch. Customer support. The company's customer support team uses Notion to manage support tickets, document FAQs, and collaborate on solutions. Team collaboration. Airbnb uses Notion to create a centralized hub for team collaboration, ensuring everyone is on the same page. Beyond the big names. While these are just a few examples, Notion is used by countless other companies of all sizes and industries. From startups to established corporations, Notion has become a popular choice for teams looking to improve their productivity and collaboration. The benefits of Notion. So, what makes Notion such a popular choice? Here are some of the key benefits. Customization. Notion is highly customizable, allowing teams to create workflows that fit their specific needs. Collaboration. Notion's real-time collaboration features make it easy for teams to work together on projects and documents. Integration. Notion integrates with a wide range of other tools, making it easy to connect your existing workflow. Scalability. Notion can scale to support teams of all sizes, from small startups to large enterprises. As you can see, Notion is a versatile tool that can be used by companies of all sizes and industries. From project management to knowledge management, Notion can help teams become more organized, efficient, and collaborative. So, if you're looking for a powerful tool to help your team achieve its goals, Notion is definitely worth considering. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.